In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Telegram in n8n. Go to your n8n instance, click on Create Workflow, add a Telegram node, whatever action or trigger, it doesn't matter. Click on Create New Credential. For access token, you need to go to Telegram. Go to web.telegram.org, search for bot forward, send /new bot, name whatever you want. So let's say test VCU n8n. Okay. So add a username. So let's say test n8n VCU end with bot. So bot. Perfect. We have got the access token. Once you got the access token, copy it, go to your n8n instance, paste it, and that's it. Yeah, it connected successfully. You can test it. Click on test workflow, go to your Telegram, click on stop. It might get triggered. Yeah. See, if you go to Telegram node, you can see the start messages. Yeah. Thank you.